Good day, everyone. I am Maria Cristina Alarcon from BSTM Trivi, and today I will share my voice for nature by talking about natural and protected areas and why they are important. One protected area that inspired me is the Puerto Princesa Underground River because it is beautiful and shows how nature can be preserved when people take care of it. There are many reasons why we should protect protected areas. First, protected areas are homes of animals and plants. Many animals depend on forests and seas to live. If these places are destroyed, animals can be lose their homes and may become extinct. Second, protected areas help protect our environment. Trees help clean the air, and forests help prevent floods and landslides. Third, protected areas help people stay healthy. Clean air, clean water, and a clean environment are important for our daily life. Fourth, protected areas help tourism and provide jobs. Many tourists visit these places, which helps local communities earn income. And last, protected areas protect our future. By protecting nature today, future generations can still enjoy and learn from it. As a student, I can help protect nature in my community in simple ways. I can throw my trash properly and reduce waste. I can save water and electricity at home and in school. I can also join cleanup activities and encourage others to care for the environment. Small actions may seem simple, but they can make a big difference. Nature is important to our life and our future. Let us work together to protect it starting today. Protect nature, protect life, one earth, one future. Thank you for listening.